Okay, so we got our super affiliate link right here, right? So we're going to come up here to tools, and we're going to look for tracking pixel. Build. And what we want to do, we want action. First click, we click that. Make sure this is on image HTML, and we're going to copy this. This is our tracking link. And then we'll come back up here to our website. Go to settings, tracking code. Put it in the footer, Control V. I'll paste. Close it, save. Now, when someone clicks on your website, it'll be tracked over here in ClickMagick. Okay? So, we got that part done. Next thing we need to do, we got our integration good. We got our tracking down. Let's go back and see if it took. It's in the footer. Yeah, it's saved. We're good. Now, the only thing that we need to do, we're all set up. We're all set up. We're completely done. So we're done setting up our website. So we're going to exit out. And remember, this is the best way to sell affiliate marketing, affiliate products. You need an opt-in form. Go back here. See, I created two. Affiliate network system. You need a landing page. And let's see how this works. We'll open it up. Basically, all you need with affiliate marketing, your main thing is to get this email address. Because when you get the email address, you can mail to these people as long as you want, as long as they stay on your list. If you send them directly to the product, you get nothing. If you don't make a sale, you get no list. You can't resell to them again. So we're going to click here. Yes, sign me up for free training. We got our email list. And there we go. I hope that this has been helpful and valuable to you. I will be putting the links in the description below. Until then, stay tuned on how to get a free training on how to earn six-figure income online. Larry out here. Goodbye.